Time to explore the motion sensor. As you can see, motion sensor has a switch on top of it and one Fresnel lens. These lenses are very useful if you want to collect light from different angles. Let me take a close-up and release this Fresnel lens. And as you can see, our sensor is here. So it basically receives the infrared lights from surrounding, any change in the infrared lights. So since we want to sense the motion, we don't want to sense an obstacle, we don't want to sense a human, right? We just want to sense whether there is a movement or not. It can be used for burglar alarm maybe. So as you can see, the motion sensor has a switch under the sensor, and we need this Fresnel lens. And once like you check the Fresnel lens, the shape and the structure of it, you can see like different hexagonal shape glasses. This helps light coming from any direction to refract and hit on the on the bottom of the sensor. So when I replace this, if I don't have the Fresnel lens here, this motion sensor will only be able to detect the very limited range, only the part, the volume over it. But if I use Fresnel lens, it will be able to detect the light differences, the movement from different angles as well. We can try together. So, but before we try, let me explain the functionality. So, motion sensor sends a signal to the next module when a movement is detected, and it transmits the signal for 6 seconds. This is important. So after it detects movement, it doesn't search for any other movement. It says, okay, I see a movement and I will send the signal for 6 seconds. So the next 6 seconds after it senses a movement, it doesn't work. You need to wait for 6 seconds to make it work again. And the sensing precision of the motion sensor may decrease in very bright environments. As I said, these modules, the modules that use infrared light, when you are in a bright environment, its functionality will decrease. You need to get closer in order to like make it work. And in mode A, it sends a signal when there is nearby movement. In mode B, it sends a signal when there is no movement. So we will explore together. And let me connect this. So right now, the bar graph is off, and when motion sensor sees movement, it will send signal. But it senses a movement here, as you can see. So it has a very narrow angle, right? And I will wait. So as you can see, let's try. It doesn't see movement in here. Oh yeah, we are out of the angle. I will use the Fresnel lens now. So you cannot see my hand right now, but it will be able to see my hand from far away, and it will send a signal. And if I change to mode B, now it is turned on all the time, and when it sees movement, it will turn off, and for 6 seconds stay. Okay, turned on, off, and for 6 seconds we need to wait. Oh, actually we have an upgrade. 3 seconds is enough. So you need to wait 3 seconds to make it work again. We can use with the LED. So thank you for exploring. I will see you in another bit.